Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new electric GLC.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome home to Mercedes-Benz. I have to say, saying that here in Munich has a very special appeal. Indeed, there is no doubt the brightest star in town is standing right behind me. Ladies and gentlemen, a big applause for the all-new GLC. It's iconic, it's versatile, it's intuitive, it's smooth, and it's comfortable without losing its sporty agility. Before we dive into what makes the GLC so special, let's take a moment to set the stage, or better said, to set the feeling for tonight. Some of you might be wondering what we mean with this welcome home branding. It's simple. For us at Mercedes-Benz, home isn't a place on a map. It's a feeling. And for me, and maybe for you, that feeling often starts right here behind the wheel. Some of my favorite moments started in the driver's seat. Picture this: Saturday morning, too early, my two boys in the back seat, my wife and me in the front seats, football boots, shin guards, water bottles, snacks for the whole family, and somehow it all fits. Not just the gear, the energy, the excitement, the chaos, the laughter, well, and of course the fights between the kids who plays better. That's when it hits you. The right car isn't just about getting from point A to B. The right car can be the co-star in your life's best moments. And for millions of people, that co-star is the GLC. It's been our most popular model for years and years now, leading the charts around the globe. And tonight, it's ready to shine in a whole new way. From day one of developing the all-new electric GLC, we thought of those moments. That's why we put our customers in the car from the very beginning. In Stuttgart and New York, in Cape Town and Seoul, in Dubai and Beijing, feedback of GLC customers from around the world shaped every detail. The result? It's the GLC you know and love, but improved in every dimension. The new illuminated front grille, bold, confident, unmistakably Mercedes. And with the, watch out, 942 illuminated squares, I would say even the street lights might get jealous. You could say the same star charged for what's up next. But let's be clear, the GLC sets the bar. It's a league of its own. And let me tell you why. 3 proof points. First, driving. Thanks to the intelligent air suspension known from our flagship S-Class, the new GLC smoothly glides over the road, absorbing every bump and vibration. On top, the 4.5-degree rear axle steering delivers superior handling and shortens the turning circle to around 11 meters, letting you glide through even the tightest alleys. Both combined form the perfect dream team for whatever you need: dynamic driving or smooth cruising. And with our Mercedes-Benz Drive Assist features, even the toughest traffic feels easier than ever. But we're talking electric, so let's be specific. It's so much fun to drive. The powerful GLC family will be kicked off by the 400 4MATIC, delivering 360 kilowatt overall system power. With the highly efficient and powerful 2-gear electric powertrain and the additional front unit with disconnect, more than 700 kilometers are available on a single charge. That leads to an impressively efficient consumption of only 14.9 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. Benchmark in its class. And thanks to its cutting-edge 800-volt technology, a quick 10-minute break adds more than 300 kilometers. That's faster than at least my boys would need for the next dispute. And needless to say, with bidirectional charging, the new GLC will soon store energy for later, keep your home running, or even support the grid. Second proof point, space. The GLC offers uncompromised head and leg room. And additionally, it comes with up to 1,740 liters of luggage space, plus an amazing 128 liters in the trunk. Enough space for whatever our customers are up to. And talking about a real trunk, our engineers seem to love Indiana Jones. Let's have a look. So now, guess where's the hidden mechanism here? Just press the star. And it opens. A little piece of everyday magic. Well, and if you're curious about the size, at least 2 suitcases fit in easily. But let's step inside and the real experience begins. Third proof point, living. Inside, you find a unique atmosphere with highest comfort and craftsmanship. As an absolute highlight, the all-new 39.1-inch hyperscreen surrounds you with an intuitive, intelligent interface. That seamless screen is the biggest we've ever had in a Mercedes. And if you want to take it even one step further, just add the augmented navigation head-up display. And now comes the magic. You can create your very own mood. 11 highly emotional ambient styles, each one a world of its own. Maybe something calm, or maybe something that feels more colorful, or maybe something that feels like harmony. It's simple. Your vibe, your feeling, your Mercedes. Well, and of course, the GLC listens too. So for what's next, I need something romantic. So, hey Mercedes, play the last song of my playlist. Well, that must have been a tough day. That's indeed a great song, but I thought about something a bit more romantic. So let's try again. Now imagine that's your 4D soundtrack out of 17 speakers in Dolby Atmos, while above you the sky-controlled panoramic roof with illuminated pattern turns into a sky full of stars. Absolutely stunning. So yes, the new electric GLC comes with a lot of star potential. It's a beautiful piece of engineering excellence and a space for life's moments. But above all, it's personal, because when you open that door, you enter your place. You enter a place that feels like home. Welcome home is our promise to our customers and is inspired by a simple truth. Whenever you get into a Mercedes, whenever you get in touch with our brand, it feels instantly familiar. You feel safe, you feel comfortable, you feel confident. You're part of the Mercedes family, and we take care of you in sales, before and after. No matter whether you sit in a CLA, an S-Class, or a GLC, and no matter which powertrain you choose, that feeling is the result of almost 140 years of engineering excellence with obsessive attention to detail, craftsmanship, and emotion. We don't build shooting stars. We craft stars that are here to last. We build stars that you can trust. This is what we've always stood for and will always stand for. Take it as a promise. You'll always feel at home in your Mercedes-Benz. At the end of the day, it all comes down to the look and feel. And when I look at this car, I feel the future. The GLC is the best and most loved car in its class, wherever you go in the world. Let's celebrate it together tonight. Thanks for your attention, and once again, welcome home to Mercedes-Benz.